Guys, some of the people, they want a luxury life. You don't know where they are staying, guys. You don't know, because some people, they want to wear expensive clothes, booking expensive hotels, trip after trip. Guys, there is some people every year or every 3 months, that person, they have got trips, many trips, luxury life, wearing expensive clothes, even a phone, but that person doesn't have a good house. You understand? Doesn't have a good house, because most of the people, they want to book expensive hotels. You understand? You can, guys, the hotel is so expensive. One night, you understand it? It's so expensive. That person can book a hotel for a week. Guys, you can save and buy cement. You understand? You can build a beautiful bedroom. You can build your own hotel in your home, a beautiful bedroom, than to spend money booking expensive hotels. You understand it? Because, guys, it will be a humiliation one day. Maybe there is funeral at your home, and some people, they know that you are posting on social media nice photos in hotel. Guys, it's most guys, you can be humiliated, because